If your 2007 GMC Acadia refuses to start, follow this guide to isolate the problem before you call a tow truck. Statistically, 80% of no-start issues in this generation of Acadia are caused by simple battery or terminal failures. Let us break down the diagnosis process step by step. Start by checking battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, and verifying that the ground straps are free of corrosion. If the battery is fine, look at the starter motor or the ignition switch as the next likely culprits. Also consider a failing crankshaft sensor or a dead fuel pump if the engine cranks but refuses to start. Try simple fixes like jump starting or checking fuses before committing to expensive shop repairs like starter replacement. Repair costs vary significantly, so identifying the exact part is the best way to save money. Use an OBD-I scanner to read codes and a multimeter to verify power reaching the starter signal wire. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and a scanner handy to handle most electrical troubleshooting tasks. Remember to always disconnect the battery before you start touching any electrical components or starter wiring. If you still cannot get your Acadia running, it is time to consult a professional mechanic. Subscribe for more.